Hello, in this video we're going to take a look at the XBRLAnalyst function XBRLPivot. Now XBRLPivot takes input a lot like XBRLFact. Now we're going to take a look at an example from Citrix here and their sales revenue net values. Here we go. An important column here is table, which is the different tables that we have, and the other important column is the section, which is the part of the XBRL report that the table comes from. And so we see we have a number of sections and a number of tables, and what we're going to do is just select the whole range here and insert a pivot table in Excel. Since we have so many different tables, only one of these tables at a time is really going to make a great pivot table, so we're going to filter out by section and table so that we don't have competing data here. And then we can pull in rows and columns here. So here we have geographic areas. We'll set that up to be our rows, and we need some values. And so you see here we have a quick breakdown of Citrix's sales revenue net by geographic location. And we can do something similar. We can switch this over to segment, the segment table, and we'll do product grouping, I think is the right one. And so the geographic field isn't useful to us anymore. I'm going to switch to segments and subsegments, and here now we have the sales revenue net broken down by segment and subsegment. We have enterprise and service provider division, mobility apps division, and we can see over here how it all sums together in the pivot table. Now the other thing that we can do that's useful is we can get a range of different dates, and so we'll take a look at another example. This one is Microsoft. And here we're just going to leave an empty year parameter, and we're going to specify the accession using a colon and then the fiscal period of the accession. So we'll look at their 10K report from 2014 and pull this data down, and it's going to be a lot more data here because it's going to be for different periods. We have 2013, 2014, 2012, all the different periods that Microsoft reported in their 2014 10K. And again, we're going to filter by section and table. Geographic information table, that'll be it. And then over here we need to find the right field, which is going to be statement geographical. And this time I'm going to make it a column, and I'm actually going to make the period be the rows, and then just bring in the values here. And so we have our table, and so we can see what sales revenue net Microsoft had in other countries versus the United States from 2012 through to 2014. And because we're in Excel, we can use common features like, say, a pivot chart, and we can quickly build something like this, which shows us how the ratio of the United States versus other countries' sales revenue net has been changing over time. For more information and to download a free trial, please visit us at findynamics.com. Thanks for watching.